Okay. The first question are going to discuss. Just observe the given question carefully and try to answer the following. Okay. Let us observe the given question carefully. Find the sum of the first question. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. I need the sum of odd integers from number 1 to 2001.
Sir, I think it's infinity, no, sir.
Just what I am telling before start the class, observe the given question carefully and then you can proceed.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, integers means they can be negative and positive, no, sir.
That is, read the question carefully. You are asking answer. Okay. So that means what we can call the Dharma Sandehalu in Telugu. Suppose if I'll give the answer for your statement, the answer itself will give your solution. Correct? Yeah. So some of you guys, you can complete this question. Hopefully. And there is a problem, sir. How many terms are there? There is a problem, sir. How many terms are there? There is
Sir,
a problem. Maybe
1001 terms.
and odd integers. That is important. 1001 terms. Very good. The number of terms are 1001.
Sir, did he do by
Sir,
2?
the number of terms are 2000, na, sir.
There is
Oh,
what,
okay,
Rohan,
sir.
read the question carefully. Same doubt that you are asking, like Ritvik. Very good, Samir. Because almost 4-5 classes we people have spent, Sarandeep, on this chapter. We are in end. Today we'll try to close this concept. Yes, Rohan also. Manogna. Yeah, same answer. Very good. Srinidhi also same answer. Absolutely. So if you are observing that the number of terms, how many terms, Srinidhi? How many terms are there?
1001. Sir, 100.
Right, number of odd integers. Right, odd integers. N is equal to 1 to 2000 means 1000. 2001 is also one number, one odd integer. So we can take 1001 odd integers are there from 1 to 2001. And first term is given to you, that is A1 is given to you, that is 1. And last term is also given to you, that is 2001. Now make use of SN formula. Whenever the last term is known, can I make use of first term plus last term? A1 plus L, correct? Is it the formula for finding the sum of n terms? Yes, 1001 is equal to 1001 divided by 2. A1 means first term, that is 1 plus L means last term, that is 2001. It should be 1001 into 2002 divided by 2. You can cut it. You can cut it. You will get 1001 into 1001. 1001 into 1001. You can multiply it. You will get the required answer as 1002001. 2001 is the required answer. Hope it is clear, all of you.
Sir, how do we know that this n by 2 a1 plus l, this formula, where should we use?
That is already I have completed in the last class, previous class. Two formulas I have given for sum of n terms. When first and last terms are known, we can make use of this formula. When last term is not known, we can make use of n by 2, 2a plus
Sir,
n
N
minus
is
1
the
into b.
last term, no, sir.
Sir, another formula is also there. Sir, you only told that when the last term is known, we have to use a formula an is equals to a1 plus n minus 1 plus into d.
No, you can once again listen the last class, yesterday's class, okay? For sum of n terms, two formulas I have given to you. L means last term. Whenever the last term is given, you can make use of this formula. Moving to the second one, problem number 2. Find the sum of all natural numbers. Find sum of all natural numbers. That is, I'm repeating, and whenever you are entering to the class, first you have to revise yesterday's concept, what we taught in the previous class. So just if you are sitting in front of the just a class, that's we forgot everything what we have studied in the previous class. Be careful, guys. Natural numbers, sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000, which are multiples of 5, which are multiples of 5. Multiples of 5, which are multiples of 5. What he's asking, the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 to 1000. So what is the starting number he has given? Can I give the hint, or you can able to solve this question, guys?
We can also solve, sir.
Sir,
Right.
1800, sir.
Right.
1800 natural numbers.
Sir, I'm getting 99,000. Sir, I got the answer.
Number of terms,
200, sir.
180, sir.
The given sequence of numbers. Yes, please, Samir. Who is that, Samir?
181.
Yeah, 181. Okay. And 180. Right, very good. Let's see. Whenever, suppose if we have the doubt, we can make use of the general term formula. 115 plus and so on. Is it 995 or not? 995. So for finding the number of terms, you can make use of an formula. That is a plus n minus 1 into d. That an value will be given to you. It is 995. First term is 105 plus n value is unknown, and common difference is how much it is.
Sir, I
D.
got number
Sorry,
of terms as 179.
It is how much it is. D value is 5. 105 will be on left hand side. So 995 minus 105. 105 is equal to, that is n minus 1 into 5. So it should be 995 minus 105 means, is it 985 or not? Sorry, 980. 105, is it 990?
So 990.
Is equal to n minus 1 into 5. So this 5 will be on left hand side. 990 divided by 5 means it should be 170.
Sir,
Eight.
how 990, sir? 890, sir.
It is 890. 178 is equal to n minus 1.
So n equals to 179.
179 is equal to n. The number of terms is equal to 179. Even for the previous question, you can make use of the same process for finding the number of terms. Instead of counting, sometimes we may get a mistake. We may get some wrong values for finding that n value. So at that time, we can make use of general term formula. You know that nth term, last term, or we can call it as the general term, 995 an value from the given sequence. And a first term is given to you, that is 105. When n number of terms is given to you, n is given to you 179, and a1 first term is also given to you 105, last term is also given to you 995. You can make use of Sn formula. When first and last terms are given, make use of the formula, that is a plus l is equal to n divided by 2. N value is how much? Yes, 179. 179 divided by 2. A1 first term 105 plus last term 995. You can calculate it, you will get the required answer, guys. Hope this question is also clear. Your answer, please.
So 98450.
Nine eight four five zero.
Yes, sir. 98450.
Very good. Can I go for the next one? Problem number 3. And if you are observing, these questions are different rather than the previous questions. Am I correct? How many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP? Minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 are needed to give the sum as minus 25. So when I'm adding all such numbers, what I'm going to get? Minus 25. So how many terms are required to get minus 25? That means indirectly he's asking n value or not. Yes, he's asking n value. Yes, please. Any doubt regarding to the question? Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Ritvik.
Sir, here 179 by 2 into 1100 is there, no, sir?
Hmm.
We can directly cut 2 with 1100, sir?
Yes.
Then why did 179 get a square, sir?
Where it is square?
179. Oh, okay, sir. I thought it is
170.
179 square.
Yeah, it is the previous step. Pradeep, what is the common difference?
Sir, minus
Sir,
0.5.
we need 5, sir. N is equal to 5, sir.
So the
Uh-huh.
is equals to minus 0.5.
You can take in a rational form, that is in P by Q form, so that we can identify. Second term is given to you, that is minus 11 divided by 2. A3 value is given to you, that is minus 5. So let us find out a common difference. Is it A2 minus A1? Already it is in AP, so you can find out any one. A2 value is minus 11 divided by 2 minus 6. Minus of minus, it is plus, is equal to minus 11 divided by 2 plus 6. Minus of minus, it is plus 6, guys. Because A2 minus A1, minus 11 by 2 minus of minus 6 is equal to minus 11 plus 12 divided by 2. Is it 1 by 2? Common difference is 1 by 2. Yes, please. First term is minus 6. And after that, one more point that he has given. Sn value is given to you. What is Sn? Minus 25. And what he's asking, just find out n value. Find out n value. Clear? Make use of Sn formula. N divided by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of these numbers already he has given, n divided by 2. I need to find the n value. 2 into a1 value, first term is given as minus 6 plus n is unknown, we can keep as it is, into d value is how much? 1 divided by 2. Now you can apply calculation, I mean you can do the calculation part. Do the calculation part, guys. This is equal to n by 2. Take LCM. It is minus 12 plus n minus 1 divided by 2. Take LCM. N divided by 2. And it should be what? Minus 24. It is minus 24. Plus n minus 1 divided by 2. So minus 24 minus 1, it is minus 25. This is equal to n divided by 2. That is 4, 2 into 2, 4, denominator value, n minus 25. This 4 will be on left hand side. Already we have minus 25. 4 into minus 25, it is minus 100. Is equal to n into n minus 25. Minus 100 is equal to n square minus 25n.
6, sir. Answer.
Everything will be on, yes, Sarandeep.
Sir, 5, sir. So number of terms equals to 5.
25n plus 100. Only one value is possible or two values? How many values you are getting? Let's find out the factors. Let's find out the factors. N square minus 20 times of n minus 5 times of n plus 100 is equal to 0. We are finding the factors. N will be common, n minus 20. Minus 5 will be common, n minus 20. Factorization method is equal to 0. So from this, n minus 20 is a common factor into n minus 5 is equal to 0. From this, n is equal to either 5 terms or 20 terms. Either 5 terms or 20 terms.
Sir, 5,
The
sir.
number of either 5 or 20. 20 is also possible according to the given question. Because in competitive examinations, he'll ask both or 5 is not given to you. Then you can find both the values, guys. Because it is a quadratic equation, you will get 2 values. Hope you can understand this question.
Sir, I have a doubt in the last question, sir.
Which one?
Last question, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you scroll up? Yes, sir. Sir, here in the formula of an, it is 2 into a1 plus n minus 1 into d, no, sir?
Hmm.
Sir, you wrote only a plus n minus 1 into d.
That is same I am repeating. A plus n minus 1. That is an formula, general term formula. It is not sum of n terms formula. It is a general term formula for finding number of terms.
Sir, then which formula did you use, sir? I did not understand.
For finding number of terms, n value. So that is what I am telling. Before attending next class, it should be perfect in the previous class. Only 2 formulas I have given to you. General term for finding an or number of terms. And sum of n terms, Sn formula. This is used for finding sum of such terms. And here this formula I am using for finding just how many terms are there in the given sequence. And one particular number he is asking. Suppose one particular term he is asking. What is the value of 20th term, 30th term, 25th term? At that time, I can make use of this formula. Here, an is the last term. This is an. An means what? It is last term. And first term is also given. Common difference is also there. I can find out n value here. Why we are finding n value? I don't know how many such numbers are there which are multiples of 5 between 100 and 1000. Manually, it is not possible, so I can make use of the general term formula. Here, what is the difference between the general term and sum of n terms? Yeah.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Even this question, up to this, I think you don't have any problem. And after that, factorization method that you have studied in polynomials concept. After finding d value, you can make use of Sn formula. Already we have Sn. Sum of n terms already we have. From this, just he's asking n value. Simple calculation part is there to calculate n value. And remember, if anything feel to be difficult, once you should practice, guys. Directly, it is not possible to understand here itself. You can practice if anything feel to be difficult.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the last but one step into minus 25 and plus 100.
Which one?
In the left side, last but one, sir.
N square minus 25 plus 100.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the previous step, it was minus 100, no, sir. When n square minus 25 and came to LHS, it should be as only.
I am taking
100.
this 100 on right hand side. Minus 100 will become plus 100.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Right. Because always n squared should be positive, x squared should be positive.
Exponent should be positive, sir.
Highest power of x, I mean the highest power n square whose coefficient must be positive to get the simplest form.
Okay, sir.
Sarandeep,
Sir, in the factor, sir, if any one of the factors positive, then we can take the other one as the answer, right? So, like if n is if the one of the factors n plus 20, another is n minus 5, we can take n as 5 only, right? Because terms cannot be negative.
that's that is the next problem. Now you can understand what you are asking. That is absolutely correct. What that Sarandeep is asking, suppose n value is positive and another value of n is minus 20. Suppose anywhere, suppose I got like this. What is the value of n I'm going to consider? Absolutely what you said, this is absolutely correct. N is equal to 5. I cannot take number of terms as minus 20. Yes, please. I can go for the next question. Problem number 4. If the sum of certain number of terms, if sum of certain number of terms of AP 25, 22, 19, and so on is 116. If the sum of certain number of terms of an AP is 116, then find how many terms are needed. How many terms are needed? How many terms are needed? It is also same as the previous question. So let us practice it. And what is the required value? What is the value of n for this question? Same as the previous question. Anyone got the answer? What is the common difference?
Sir, 3, sir.
It is 3. Common difference. Common difference.
-3.
Yes. N is equal to question mark. Make use of SN formula. 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. 116 is equal to n divided by 2, 2 into 25, n minus 1 into d value is minus 3. This is equal to n divided by 2, 50 minus 3n plus 3. This is equal to, this 2 will be on left hand side, n into 53 minus 3n. So here left hand side value is how much you are going to get? 116, 232 is equal to 53 times of n minus 3 times of n square. 3n square minus 53 times of n plus 232 is equal to 0. This is the equation what we got, guys. But what he's asking, let us find out the value of n. So he will give the options. The first option I can take, it is 8. The second option I can take 23 or 29 divided by 3. The third option will be given as 3. The fourth option will be given as 29. These are the 4 options we have. And which option we are going to select? Whenever we have the options, we can substitute those values or make use of the factorization method. If once you can understand the factorization method, better to go for that factorization. So 3n square, that 53 I can split it as 2 parts, minus 24 times of n minus, sorry, it is minus 29 times of n plus 232 is equal to 0. That is 3n will be common. Let us take it as 3n will be common. N minus 8 and minus 29 as common.
Sir, I have
N
a doubt.
minus 8. Just 1 second, I need to complete this.
Sir, answer
N
is
minus 8, yes. And then 3n minus 29 is equal to 0. We got 2 different values of n here. N is equal to 8 or n is equal to 29 divided by 3.
8, sir, because
But, very good. N cannot be 29 divided by 3.
it cannot be decimals, sir.
Right. Therefore, n is equal to 8 is the required answer. Sir, I didn't understand how to get n value. No problem. You can substitute n value here, put options, and then you can verify. Put options, and then you can verify. Which option will give 0? That is the required answer. Clear?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ritik.
Sir, in the last but 2, sir. 3n square, the moment when you did a middle splitting.
That is what I'm telling. It is a trial and error method. And whenever we have an options, you can put the options. If it is 0, that is the required answer.
No, sir, I know factorization, not that, sir, before one. 3n square minus 53n plus 232.
232, yeah.
In that, on the LHS, the first 53 and minus 3n square was there, no, sir. It became opposite, sir. 3n square minus 53.
I'm taking on left hand side everything because as I said, highest power of n square. This must be positive. To make this as positive, that this expression will be on left hand side. Minus will become plus 3n square. 53n plus will become minus 53n. Already 232 is positive. It is kept on left hand side only.
Yes, sir.
The last point in this concept, hope you can understand this question. That is arithmetic mean. arithmetic mean. Simply we can write it as A dot M. Whenever we have two numbers, arithmetic mean of A comma B is equal to A plus B divided by 2. This is the formula. That is mean means A plus B divided by 2. Next, suppose is asking arithmetic mean of A comma B comma C is equal to
A plus
A
B
plus
3.
A plus C divided by 2, which implies that 2B is equal to A plus C. So these are the two important formulas are going to remember whenever we are in arithmetic progression. The first one is just average of these two. The second one is the middle term is equal to average of the extremes. That's it. If you want, you can check it. Suppose we have 2, 4, 6, the given numbers 2, 4, 6, whether they are satisfying or not. Suppose if I'm taking this as A and this as B and this as C, 2 times of B is equal to 2 into B value is 4 is equal to 8. Next, A plus C is equal to A value is 2 plus C value is 6 is equal to 8. Both are correct. I mean, they are equal. So what I can say, 2B is equal to A plus C. So every sequence which is in AP must satisfy the arithmetic mean property. What is an arithmetic mean property? 2B is equal to A plus C. Clear? That's it for today, guys. And in tomorrow's class, I'll try to start geometric progression. Arithmetic progression is completed. In the next class, I'll try to start geometric progression.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
thank
Good
you,
night,
sir.
guys. Good night, all of you.